shake it, no look around.
You can do anything.
One. I'm gonna scream.
Nice. Spiders!
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This evening we're going to be making a spicy Cajun chicken risotto, and we're going to start by heating a little of oil in the pan. So we want to make our chicken stock. We need 1,600 mils of water for the risotto. So we got 2 chicken stock cubes in the water. The oil's just heating up. There's the stock for the risotto. And let's add the chicken in. Right, so we've added in the chicken. Leave this for about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. And go nice and brown. We're going to season this with, we've got the chicken in, and we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. And leave this in for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now the chicken's all cooked, we're going to add in some Cajun spice mix and about 6 garlic cloves. So we've got our garlic and our Cajun mix. I did put 6 garlic cloves in there, I like garlic. Give that a good mix up. Stir it, cook it for about a minute, and then we are going to add the risotto rice. So we've added in the risotto rice, and we just want to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the stock. I really wish we had smell-o-vision because this smells sensational. So I'm going to add 1/3 of the stock into this and let it all absorb into the risotto. So now this is going to simmer up, and once all the juices is absorbed, we'll add another 1/3 of the stock in there, and I'll keep stirring it. Should take around 15-20 minutes roughly. So we're halfway through, just waiting for the second lot to simmer up, and then we'll put the next lot and last lot to go in a moment. Look at that now, coming along nicely. I've added some chorizo into this, guys. Yum yum. And there we have it, our risotto with some peas topped with breadcrumbs, bit of lemon juice and some hard cheese. Let's tuck in.
You can do anything.
Still shaking, no look around.
You can do anything. Nice.
Oh, spiders!